Hello and welcome back to Spekd. So there's been a lot of new stuff coming from Games Workshop and it all looks pretty fantastic. 40k, Kill Team, Age of Sigmar, Blackstone Fortress and more. Admittedly, I don't often have time to complete my current project without almost throwing my wallet at the next one. And it's leaving me with a problem of having to decide if I want to eat or build. And I'm not trying to starve right now. So I'm trying to find a way to eat the plastic bits left over from building the models. Look, I already use seasonings on my terrain, so it's not that big of a jump. Either way, it means I have to make smarter choices. Making those choices to maximize my hobby time with reduction in cost. Right now, the best way for me to do that is to go for box sets. Single models are nice, but unless I'm planning on using it on every single game, it's a no-no for me. As often those models cost the same price of a box set and they have a lot less hobby time involved. And that means less painting, less building, and more cursing. Plus, every single model becomes too precious to even play with or even put them on the tabletop. Right now, there are two box sets that I'm looking at. No, it's not Dark Imperium. That box set is dead to me now. Long live the new starter box set, Shadow Spear. This box set looks to be one of the most balanced starter sets point-wise. And it's also in the favour of Chaos, which is rare. But not by much. If I was just making a start in 40k or wanted a Chaos army, this is what I would go for. It has mini codexes, rules, dice, saves money, a ton of cool looking models, and it also drives a Lambo. Well, actually that last part might not be true, but all of the models are relevant and useful even if you split out the box set. The other reason I like this is that it's the most future-proofed item right now in the system. With the right Chaos Warlord, Abaddon, only Abaddon, a few Helldrakes, for the rule of cool, Chaos Lord, and some sweet Terminators. See, I told you it was coming back. Anyway, you'll have a full Chaos army with enough different items, new and old, to make opponents rethink strategies. Plus, it looked good on the table. But to really make it pop and get your money's worth, add that new Blackstone Fortress Traitor Guards set. It will help you to bulk out that Shadow Spear. What? Yeah, I said it. For these three reasons. 1, have you seen it? Woo! From what I've seen so far, it has a warped Bolgrin, Ogrin, and a power fist looking commissar cultist thing. Too many slashes in there. Number 2, Blackstone Fortress always needed more guards, not only to make my life more miserable trying to reach the escape of each mission, but to ensure that enough models went spawned. I also believe that Games Workshop knew we would like the models and actively split them from the Blackstone Fortress set, so that Games Workshop could be all like, remember that mission where your party almost died? And you was like, oh, we're so lucky there wasn't enough Traitor Guardsmen in the set. So we went ahead and put more Traitor Guardsmen in your Traitor Guardsmen with the existing Traitor Guardsmen to guard the Guardsmen with Chaos Spinners on it. Third, this is your new secret kill team. With copy and paste net lists, this is a way to challenge your opponents with something new, as net lists are more reactive to commonly played lists. The bonus is here, with the new Kill Team Elites as well, you get to use that sweet looking Chaos Ogrin or / Bulgrin. And the real way to save money, to be perfectly honest, is not to buy it. And we all know how that would turn out. Again, this is just short and sweet, but I still want to know, what will you choose to do in this situation? Put it in the comments and I will read them. I always love to hear your thoughts. I've enjoyed my time, and you can enjoy your time by subscribing. Don't ask how it works. Games Workshop said it was free. This has been Spekd. PC out.